Ever wanted to watch free premium channels, movies, and global live streaming events on your Android TV device? Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to download hidden applications that you cannot find in the official App Store. Let us get straight into the exact solution. Step 1 is to download the BrowZ Browser app. Navigate to the Apps section on your top menu bar. Go to the search field for apps and games. Type out the name browz.app. Select the browser icon and click Install. Once the application finishes downloading, open it to start the setup. Step 2 is to download the setup wizard. Move your cursor up to the address entry bar. Type the code number 1 into the field and click the arrow button to search. The browser will run a full security scan on the installation file. Click Download to fetch the wizard file. Click Install when prompted. Select Settings on the pop-up and toggle the permission switch to the On position. Click Install a second time, then hit Done. Click Delete to remove the setup file and save storage. Step 3 is to turn off safety blocks. Go to your home screen and launch the newly installed TV Wizard app. Click Yes to confirm your device is connected to wall power, then click Continue. Click the button that says Open Play Store. Go to your profile icon in the top corner and scroll down to Play Protect. Select Turn Off to disable security scans. Hit the back button on your remote 4 times to return to the wizard. Click the option for Step 2, Open Settings, and toggle the permission switch for the wizard to the on position. Hit back and select Continue. Step 4 is to establish a secure network connection. The wizard will check your protection status. Your internet service provider can track your downloads and block third-party video streams. You need to use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Select the VPN option inside the wizard and click Install. Click Open once it finishes downloading from the App Store. Click Log In, enter your account details, and navigate to Settings. Go to VPN Settings and turn on the Auto Connect option. Change the connection protocol to WireGuard. Go back to the main menu search box, type in USA, select a United States server, and click OK on the connection request. Step 5 is to download the custom application marketplace. Press the Home button on your remote and reopen the TV Wizard app. The wizard will detect your secure connection. Click Continue, select the top recommended private store icon, and let it download. Click Install, then hit Continue. Click No Thanks on the email sign-up pop-up. Select Skip on the secondary restore prompt. Let the wizard finish testing your 4K streaming speed, then click Continue until you reach the home screen. Step 6 is to deploy the hidden streaming applications. Go to your Apps menu and click on the new private store to open it. Select Open Settings, highlight the store name, and turn the permission switch to the On position. Press the back button to enter the store interface. Click No Thanks on the Welcome pop-up. Navigate through the video and sports categories. Click on any streaming replacement app to start the automatic download. Click Install when the download finishes, then click Done. Repeat this process for each streaming app you want to add to your device. All your new premium streaming applications are now safely configured. Return to your home screen Apps menu, select your new media apps, and start watching unlimited content. Please hit the subscribe button to support TechVibes. Leave a comment below just to say hi, or tell me if you like this setup. Check the description and pinned comments right now for the official NordVPN link. See you in the next video.